Mouth food is taken into our body through the mouth. We can chew the food with the help of teeth and break it down into small pieces. This is food pipe. The swallowed food passes into the food pipe. The food pipe runs along neck and enters its stomach. This is stomach. The stomach is a thick walled bag. It is the widest part of the alimentary canal. It is secrete mucus, hydrochloric acid and gastric juices. This is liver. The liver is reddish brown gland. It is the large gland in human body. It is secret bile juice. This is pancreas. The pancreas is the large cream colored gland present just below the stomach. Pancreatic juice acts on carbohydrates, fats and proteins. This is small intestine. The small intestine is about 7.5 meters long, tube-like structure. It receives digestive juices from the liver and the pancreas. The digestive juices completes the digestion of the components of the food. This is large intestine. Large intestine is wider and shorter than the small intestine. Large intestine is 1.5 meters length. It is absorbs water and salt from the undigested food. This is rectum. The remaining waste passes into the rectum there as semi-solid phases. This is anus. The facial matter is removed through from the anus time to time. Thank you.